Welcome to NetWitness 12.3.1, New Features Training. In this video, we will discuss the high availability feature of NetWitness Endpoint. This functionality is designed to ensure the continuous availability of endpoint log hybrid systems in the event of unforeseen disasters. Administrators now can maintain a standby endpoint server that can be activated in case of such disasters. It is crucial to note that the standby endpoint server should mirror the exact configuration of the primary or lost endpoint server. After a failure, the recovery endpoint log hybrid needs to be configured. This configuration enables the agent to recover the endpoint server preference. Communicating agents will wait up to 8 hours to establish communication with the recovery server. The agent will attempt to reconnect with the primary endpoint server after a failover. After 8 hours, the agent will verify if there have been any policy updates. If no changes are found, then it will search for a DNS record with the service ID and initiate the communication with the recovery endpoint server. The administrator can perform recovery configuration through the Source Server Explore page under Endpoint Recovery Configuration. So here is the Source Server and the Explorer page. We have Endpoint Recovery. And we have a failed over map service ID mapping field. This field follows a keypad pattern where the administrator can input the service ID of the lost endpoint log hybrid as a key and the service ID of the recovery endpoint server as a value. So multiple endpoint servers as key value pairs can be added with this. Currently, this feature is only supported for Windows and Linux agents. When configuring the recovery configuration, if the RA was previously set up, the administrator should use the fully qualified domain name for the recovery endpoint server as well. Thank you.